Hi there. So I'm back with the brand growth idea of this week, and today I'm going to talk about brand events. Yes, events are a great tool for creating customer engagement. Events are also evolving as independent business models and brands in themselves. Recently, I came across a team which is very passionate about creating an online event, a brand in itself, and that's what brought me to this brand growth idea, wherein it is important to have events as engagement tools around your brand. But what you need to do is the understand the power of planning the and understand the power of engaging the audiences, keeping the very essence of brand for profit making and customer value generation as the means or as the purpose of creating your own event. Why I'm talking about it is because currently the situation is such that I'm working with three events at one time. One is an independent business model. The other two are the brand events, the annual engagement things that brands have been creating all throughout. Why campaigning, engagement, and mostly the digital campaign management of your event is important is the underlining idea that I'm going to talk about today. We are all in the age of digital content creation, where every day, every moment, every second, thousands and millions of people are actually posting content trying to grab your attention. Underlining fact here, the attention span of a normal human being on social media is 7 seconds. So try to understand the importance of planning, the significance of brand messaging, and the establishment of brand event as clearly as possible. While your event needs a strategic planning and engagement partner, uh, proper and planned digital boost, because otherwise the chances are you will not only end up losing your brand imagery that you wish to uplift through the event, but also you are setting the wrong impression as an event in itself. So, why we need to create the brand plan for an event is what I'm going to share about today. The first and foremost thing is have the event identity, the purpose in place. You need to be crystal clear about what you are creating, what is the value creation, what are the benefits, and who is it for. The second element comes there is, are you looking for any sort of collaborators, sponsors, or any kind of engagement platforms wherein you would need people, artists, celebrities, or even influencers to create a powerful event? For example, the recent Biba event, which was done in association with Liva. Look at the wonderful girls and their videos, the way they have been posting and engaging consistently with their target audiences. So always make sure who are the collaborators, sponsors, or influencers you are going to need for creating a successful event, and this should be done in the planning stage. The third one, which is, do you have the right kind of budgeting or the finances in place? So the commercials are very very important. Even if you are trying to create an open mic or an AMA kind of session, even if you are trying to sell a workshop, always be sure of the finances. What is it? Is it value enough as per the pricing? Are you keeping the advertising budgets in mind while creating the event? Is the entire branding of that event, the event branding and positioning is in place, that it leads the audience to understand that what are the things that the event is offering and how it is going to be beneficial. The fourth important element is the technological aspect. We are in the age of online events. Every day we come across a lot of events on Zoom, YouTube Live, Facebook, Instagram, and whatnot. So, are you ready? Is your brand coming up with the exact grandeur that your event requires? Is it in line with the positioning of your event as well as the positioning of your brand? So, always be sure, like doubly sure of the technical aspect of it. Make sure there are no failures. Make sure you are informing the audiences consistently, you are engaging with them, and you are uh, just there, and it is a seamless communication and delivery in your event. So be sure of all these 4 points when you are creating an event for your brand, and only then you can actually have a planned strategic event in place for the purpose of brand growth. Otherwise, be free and be seen, and be yourself. But if you're doing anything which is in line with your branding per se, which is a part of your annual brand growth or brand engagement plan, make sure that you plan it out and you bring all the event rules together before you launch it for your audiences. I will be back with more brand growth ideas. Until then, take care, stay safe, happy branding.